Hi, let's find angle X. Welcome back to my channel. This is not as easy as you think, and please, this is not drawn to scale as well. All right. So first we are asked to find X, and the only information given to us is that angle B is 36 degrees, angle BAD is 36 degrees as well. And we are also told that AB is equal to DC. All right. Now let's call AB X. So it means that DC from here to here is also X. Okay. All right. Now, one thing that should come to our mind immediately we saw this and this is that triangle ABD. Let me draw that. Triangle ABD. So this is A, this is B, and this is D. All right. If here is 36 degrees and here is 36 degrees as well, it means that ABD is an isosceles triangle, right? And for an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. So it simply means that if the base angles are equal, that means this side is also equal to this side. So it means that AD is equal to BD. Now, if we call AD Y, BD is also Y. So I'm going to write BD Y and AD as Y as well, right? So this side is equal to that side. Okay, we're actually progressing. Now, we need to remember something as well. This particular triangular theorem that states that, but before that, please subscribe to the channel. If this is the first time you're coming across this lovely channel, give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. Subscribe if you don't. This might be the last time you are going to see us. All right, so subscribe if you actually got value from what we are doing. Thank you very much. Now look at what we have. Remember that if you have a triangle and an exterior angle X, X is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. X is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So if this is A and this is B, that means that X is A plus B, right? So relating it to what we have here, A, B, D, it simply means that here will be equal to 36 plus 36, which is 72 degrees. Nice, right? Okay, now we are going to do a construction. We are going to do a construction in such a way that we have another angle 72 degrees constructed here. So if I draw a straight line to this point, this is 72 degrees as well by construction. All right. Now let's call this point E. All right. Now, if that is true, you can see that the base angles are equal, meaning that triangle ADE is an isosceles triangle. Okay. This implies that AD will be equal to AE. So if AD is Y, AE is also Y as well. Okay, now let us consider triangle ABE. Let's consider triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. So we have this, we have this, we have this. This is A, this is B, and this is E. All right. So if these two angles are equal, then triangle DAE, let's do that first. Angle DAE will be equal to 180 minus 72 plus 72, which is 144. And this will give us 36 degrees. So it means that here is also 36 degrees. Okay. Now it simply means that A, the whole of this A now is 36 plus 36. So here is 72 degrees. Then E is 72 degrees as well. And B is 36 degrees. So if these two base angles are equal, it means that this side is equal to this side. That is AB is also equal to BE, right? So it simply means that from here to here is also equal to X, right? So BE is also equal to X. That is from here to here, BE is also equal to X. This is E. Alright? If that is the case, if I want to find DE, right? That means DE will be X minus Y, right? Since from here to here is Y, DE will be X, which is the whole of this minus Y. So permit me to write here to be X minus Y. Alright. Now, moving forward, we did that for a purpose. Yes, we did that for a purpose. Now, first of all, we can get triangle AEC, right? Angle AEC, let's get it. Note that angle E is 180 degrees. So AEC is equal to 180 minus 72, right? And this will be 108 degrees. 108 degrees, right? So we have here, to be 108 degrees. Okay, now remember that from here to here is X. If I want to get EC, right? We have that EC will be equal to DC, take away DE. Alright? Now DC is X. DE is X minus Y. Moving forward, we have X minus times X is minus X. Minus times minus is plus, and we have Y. So X minus X is 0. So it means that EC is Y, right? So from here to here is Y. Now, if this place is Y and this place is Y, it means that the base angles are equal as well. Alright? So, now, since this is equal to this is Y and this is Y as well, it simply means that we have 180 minus 108, which will give us 72 degrees, right? So it means that angle A and angle C is equal to. So it means that angle CAE plus angle ACE will be what? 72 degrees. And they are equal. Alright? So if we divide both by 2, we have 36 degrees. So it means that X is what? 36 degrees. And that is the answer. I hope you understood what I solved. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.